Bring nature indoors with KGALA, the textured finish that transforms your walls into works of art. Begin with thorough surface preparation, ensuring a smooth and durable finish by applying a quality primer. To achieve the perfect consistency, we blended Part A with Part B, using semi-rough sand in Part A and a Tiber color base in Part B. Use a trowel and apply the first layer of texture, spreading it evenly to a thickness of 2 to 3 mm for a flawless finish. Use a paint roller to create a porous texture effect by rolling it evenly over the surface. Allow it to dry for 12 hours before proceeding. Using your trowel, apply patches of KGALA texture, then gently pat the surface to form the final igneous pattern. Bring your vision to life layer by layer. Paint your masterpiece with Sinclair KGALA Textured Finish Coat.